Have you ever wondered why some vinegars are milder in smell than others? Today, we'll explore the nuances of white wine vinegar and how it stands out from other types. White wine vinegar is made through a fermentation process that starts with grape juice. This gives it a milder smell and fruity undertones compared to traditional white vinegar. Despite its milder fragrance, white wine vinegar still has an intense flavor. This makes it a versatile ingredient in many kitchen recipes, enhancing dishes without overpowering them. The milder smell of white wine vinegar is due to the grape fermentation process. This differs from the harsher smell of distilled white vinegar, which lacks these fruity notes. In culinary applications, white wine vinegar is often preferred for its ability to complement and enhance flavors without being too overpowering. It's great in dressings, marinades, and sauces. The mildness of white wine vinegar also makes it ideal for preserving foods without the strong taste that might come with other vinegars. This is why it's a staple in many kitchens. In summary, white wine vinegar stands out for its milder smell and fruity undertones derived from grapes. Its versatility in the kitchen makes it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. Today, we've learned about how white wine vinegar's mildness enhances its culinary applications. What other mild ingredients do you enjoy using in your kitchen? Share below.